Hi there, welcome to COM1250, Interpersonal Communication. My name is Marlene Adzima, and I will be your instructor for this course. I want to take a few minutes to show you around the class so you can set yourself up for success. So first of all, we'll start out on the course homepage. And you can see here we are in the course, and we have all of these tabs along the top. We'll start right here at Course Home. This is where you will start each week to look at the announcement for that week. Here's our first week 0 announcement. And week 0 is the welcome week. And so this first week is your opportunity to get acquainted with the class, take a look around, read the syllabus, watch this video, etc. So please take the time each week to look at the announcement. I'll post a new announcement each Monday. Our course runs Monday through Sunday each week. So here we have the week 1 announcement, or the week 0, excuse me. And here's information about what to do, the syllabus, the course tour, which you'll find linked in here after I record it. Our official course date is Monday, August 29th. So this first week, again, you're getting acquainted. Starting Monday, August 29th, log into the course, start out on this course homepage, and read the entire announcement. So you want to do that for the course 0 as well. Here's some information here on the right. If you have things to do, they'll show up there for you. Here's some information about me. Here's some information about looking through and navigating the course, so what you've been taking a peek at. Let's start next under this Content tab. And if you click on the Content tab, you'll see here's the table of contents. And here you'll find all these different modules along the left. So during week 0, you want to start here, as well as take a look at the week 0 module down here. But under the Start Here module, you'll see a little bit about me, some information about the course, the syllabus, tips for success, discussion post guidelines. Make sure you read those. My contact information and office hours are here. I will be having office hours on campus every Tuesday and Thursday from 10:30 to 1. If that doesn't work for you, or you're not on campus, I'll meet over Zoom, or we can email or talk on the phone, whatever works best for you. So we can go back here to the table of contents, and then we'll go down here and you'll see week 0. That's the week we're in right now, this introductory week. And there's the information for week 0. We'll do some introductions. And you can go through here on each week, and if you click on the week, you'll see a link to a to-do, and you can click on that to-do list to see what's happening that week. You go back here to go back into that weekly module, and then anything that's happening that week. If I've posted a video, you'll see it in there. Here's a discussion question with a video, a couple videos, a quiz. So each week you'll see an announcement, and then under that weekly module, you'll see a list of what's happening, to do, and then links to everything that needs to be done that week. If you scroll down further here, you'll see along the left modules with each of our various writing assignments, as well as some PowerPoint slideshows for the textbook. These are not complete slideshows. They're meant to accompany the textbook, not take the place of the textbook. So you definitely need a copy of the textbook or access to the textbook for the class. I have some information about textbook access in the syllabus. Make sure you take a look at that. If you're having trouble getting access to a textbook, please reach out to me, and we'll work together to make sure you have access. Here are assignments, and this is where you'll actually hand in assignments. So any written assignment gets handed in here. You'll click on the assignment, you'll add a file, and then you'll click Submit. And then you'll get a notification from D2L that your assignment has been submitted. So this is where you hand in written assignments. Here's all those discussion posts, and again, you can find them under the Content tab. Our weekly discussions run Monday through Sunday. You'll have 3 responses due per discussion question, and the first initial response is due by Wednesday, and then 2 classmate or peer responses due by Sunday each week. So make sure that you read the discussion questions carefully. Your initial response should answer the entire question, And then there's specific guidelines for classmate responses as well. And again, those discussion questions will be linked in each weekly module. You can't answer the discussions before they open, but you can certainly take a look at them. If you're somebody who likes to look ahead, that is no problem. Here's the quizzes tab. We'll have periodic quizzes throughout the semester. You have an initial syllabus quiz, and then you can see quizzes on each group of chapters, and then a course evaluation. These quizzes are multiple choice and true false, relatively short. They're more just reading comprehension quizzes. So you do want to make sure you've read the chapters, you've done the assignments, and then you go in and you take the quizzes. Here's where your grades will be posted. I will get your grades posted in a timely manner. You can see down here, all of the grades are here. So here, if you want, I'll just X that out, but if you wanted to get your grades and everything online, that's what that's for on your phone. So here's the class list, and here the most important thing about that is that I'm typically at the top. If you want to email me, you can send me an internal message via D2L. Notice I look like M at Zima, and you also look like your first initial and the first few letters of your last name. So please include your actual name when you send me an email, either through D2L or to my Red Rocks email. If we are communicating in D2L, the message appears here. So if I send the class an email in D2L, you'll see internal messages here, and then you click on that and you'll have an inbox with messages. So that basically covers all of the tools that we'll be using. You won't need to worry about the more tools or the resources tab. Please reach out to me if you have any questions at all. Again, you can reach me by emailing me in D2L, through the class list, or under the contact, or under the content, excuse me. My contact information is here. If you click on that, you'll see my Red Rocks email right here. So email is definitely the easiest and quickest way for us to connect. Please reach out to me if you have any questions about anything, and I'm looking forward to a great semester. Thanks.